Whoa, whoa, whoa! Chef Jeff reporting for duty. Today's assignment is easy. We're going to be unboxing an easy bake oven. And then we're gonna try to make something that tastes delicious. Let's see how easy an easy bake oven is.
It's just Jeff, he's on the go with a big bright shirt and a whoa, whoa, whoa! Learning is fun, and so are you. Let's get ready for something new. It's just Jeff, here we go! Hey!
Okay, now I am not a professional cook, and I'm assuming most of you aren't either. But this isn't just a box. This is a box of possibilities. So today, we're going to unbox it. We're gonna set it up, and we're going to make a real dessert with real heat and tiny little tools. Okay, it's going to get silly. It's going to get sweet. Oh, I just lost a tooth. And it could get messy. But today isn't just about baking. It's about something much greater. It's about following directions, listening carefully, and realizing that great things happen when we slow down and work together. Let's bake this episode into something awesome. Okay. The oven. Whoa. I don't even know what we call this, but you stick that in the oven, you come out with a pizza. Give you the front side. This is really simple. It's unboxed. Let me put on my readers. Okay guys, so we decided we're gonna do cookies today. I had to gather a whole bunch of ingredients from our kitchen. We're gonna put this together and we're gonna run all of it through the Easy Bake Oven on this little baking sheet. That's the official Easy Bake baking sheet. Okay. Clean as you go. Okay, whisk, milk, or egg. What is this? How do you pour milk in this? That means 4 of these. This is what we call in the business whisk. Uh-oh. The butter is not whisking. It's a little whiskey doing it this way. Okay, we are making some progress here. So I've got this whole mix in the bowl. It's ready to go. I'm gonna put a glob on the baking sheet. That's gonna be cookie number 1. This stuff is delicious. Don't tell Mom, I'm eating it like this. The dinger just went off, so the oven is preheated now. We had to preheat it for 20 minutes. According to the instructions, I need to put this inside the oven. We're gonna use this cool tool that came along with the oven. We're gonna use the back end of it to pop this thing all the way in to the oven so it gets heated. All right, so here we go. Don't use your hands for this. All right, so I'm gonna use this tool just like that, and you're supposed to go all the way to the tab, and that's where you stop. And then I need to turn this on. I'm gonna run it for 12 minutes. So we're gonna go right in between 10 and 15. All right. And then in 12 minutes, we should have a cookie. Yeah! A few things I learned along the way now that I'm almost a professional baker. 1, clean as you go. It's much easier to clean little things along the way than one big mess at the end. 2nd, don't eat all of your ingredients. If you eat all of your ingredients, you won't have anything to bake. And finally, number 3, read the instructions. Otherwise, you could end up with a giant mess that doesn't even taste good. Okay, as soon as it dings, we know our cookie is ready. There it is, all right. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at this cookie. Yeah, there it is. Look at this. People pay good money for cookies that look like this. I bet it tastes delicious. I can't wait to try it. It is a sweet reminder that following directions and listening can really pay off. Sometimes we want to skip steps, go fast, or do it all on our own. But when we slow down, take our time, and work together, we learn more, we get the job done, and we get cookies at the end. Thank you for helping me unbox the Easy Bake Oven. It really was fun and it really was easy. So parents, if you're looking for a way to turn your kids into a baking boss, the Easy Bake Oven is a great option. And look, we ended up with this sweet reward.
Thanks, Jeff.
I guess we'll be making another one. Thanks, guys.
It's just Jeff. Don't forget to subscribe. Hey!
Little does he know, I've made 12 more. Don't forget to subscribe. Mmm.